Hello everyone, magandang oras sa ating lahat. Welcome to my videos. Maraming salamat sa panonood at lalo na sa mga nag-subscribe. Thank you guys. At kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking videos, huwag kalimutan mag-like, comment, share, and subscribe para updated ka sa aking mga bagong upload ng mga videos na mayroong mga gandang kasaysayan at talaga tungkol sa ating mga barya. Guys, ito yung ating coins guys na 5 cents ng Australia na si Elizabeth Dasikan. Mayroon itong Meron itong timbang guys na 2.8 grams. So napaka gaan lang nito, napakaliit lang nito guys. So ito guys, share ko lang sa inyo ito ang kanyang napakagandang short history guys tungkol dito sa baryang ito guys ng Australia na 5 cents na meron taon na 1966. The 5 cent coins was first introduced with the decimal currency on February 14, 1966. The original reverse design of the echidna on the standard circulation or circulating coins has not been changed since the introduction of the obverse, and design was altered in 2016 to mark the 50th anniversary of decimal currency, but the reverse design of the echidna has remained constant. All of the first issue of 5 cent coins in 1966 were produced at the Royal Mint, London. Since the first productions from London, 5 cent coins have been produced by the Royal Australian Mint, the Royal Mint Lantrissan, and the Royal Canadian Mint. The coin was introduced in 1911, while the last penny was minted in 1964. After the decimalization on February 14, 1966, the penny was equal to 0.8333 cents. The obverse of the coins featured the reigning Australian monarchs, or three were featured: George the Fifth, George the Sixth, and Elizabeth the Second. The Australian penny redirects the here for the former decimal Australian coin, informally known as the penny. The Australian penny was a coin of the Australian pound, which followed the Euro-SD system. It was used in the Commonwealth of Australia prior to decimalisation in 1966. One Australian penny was worth 1/2 Australian shilling, and 1/24 Australian florin, and 1/60 Australian crown, and 1/240 Australian pound. The coin was equivalent in its dimension and value to the British free decimal penny, as the two currencies were originally fixed at par. The coin was introduced in 1911, while the last penny was minted in 1964. After the decimalization on February 14, 1966, the penny was equal to 0.8333 cents, or 8,333 cents. The obverse of the coin featured the reigning Australian monarchs. Three were featured: George the Fifth, George the Sixth, and Elizabeth the Second. All of the penny bearing George the Sixth and Elizabeth the Second had a kangaroo on the reverse. The kangaroo image was on the Australian half penny, and since then included on the dollar coin and the bullion silver kangaroo. During the fourth or the George VI era, coin minted on third had dot either on the end of the word Fini and after the word Australian, or in between the K and G above the end of the kangaroo's tail, while the queens from Melbourne did not have a dot, and I under the vase of George VI, denoted being muted in India, being minted in India, and is only found on pennies of half pennies dated 1942 and 1943. A PL mint mark after penny denoted minting in London, England, and is only found on the 1951 dated penny and half penny. This continued through the end of the coin's lifetime. So ito yung ating coins guys na mayroong halagang 308,498 pesos 0.90 centavos. At ito ang kanyang features guys, ang ating 5 cents Australian coins, Elizabeth II, at ito yung second portrait. Ito yung features guys. Ang issue naman nito ay Australia, Queen Elizabeth II from 1952 hanggang 2022. May type siya na standard circulation coin at mayroong taon na 1966 hanggang 1984. Ang value naman dito guys ay 5 cents. Sa Pilipinas, nagkakaroon lang ito ng 1 peso and 91 centavos. Kanyang currency naman ay dollar, mayroong taon na 1966. Composition nito guys ay copper nickel. 75% ng copper, 25% ng nickel. At may timbang siya na 2.83 grams. Ang kanyang diameter ay 19.41 mm. Meron siyang thickness na 1.3 mm at kanyang shape ay round. Ang kanyang technique naman ay mild orientation, middle alignment. Number A, number 70. Reference number KM number 64 and shoe number 51. Ito yung ating overs guys. Ang second portrait with Queen Elizabeth II and facing the right, wearing the girls of Great Britain and the Ireland tiara. Meron siyang script na Latin at ang kanyang lettering naman Elizabeth II, Australia, 1966. Ang nag-design ito guys si Arnold Machine. At ito naman ang ating ravers guys, ang short beak echidnas or spiny ant eaters or Tachyglossus aculeatus, at mayroon din nomination na 5 cents. At ang designer naman Mark Vilo. So ang mayroon siyang script guys na Latin at ang kanyang lettering man 5 SD. Designer naman ito ay si Stuart Devlin, ang designer sa ating ravers guys. SD, kaya SD, Stuart Devlin. So meron siyang edge na rated guys. Ang mint naman ito guys, Australian Mint, Canberra, Australia, 1965 ang kanyang date. Ang Royal Mint, Royal Canadian Mint, Winnipeg, Canada, 1976. At Royal Canadian Mint, Tower Hill, London, United Kingdom, 1810 hanggang 1975. Sa Royal Mint natin sa Lantrisan, United Kingdom ay 1968. At meron comments dito guys, introducing 1966 at the commencement of decimal currency in Australia, the 5 cent coins was struck in copper nickel. This coins was the second machine. Fourth Street of the Queen was replaced in 1985 with the third Raphael D. Maclough portrait. So meron lang tayong 0.9% guys ang ating 1966 na VO year set carded. At 0.3% naman ang kanyang population. At meron siyang price guys na uncirculated 260 pesos. Dahil meron siyang 77,250 kapiraso. So ang kanyang uncirculated ay 260 pesos. Galing yan guys sa ating enomista.com. Ating circulation coins guys ng Canberra Mint, meron siyang 19% at